you can visit our website for the commands in the videos. If you want to purchase other study materials like packet tracer files and other course guidelines, then you can email to us. Follow us on Facebook for further updates. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe so I can quickly deliver more videos on various topics. And then for the last one, 10.10.13.128/25, okay, 6 hosts per subnet. Okay, in each and every scenario, mainly you can go up to /30. Why? It's /30 because /30 means your network bits are 30, the remaining 2 bits, which means 2 to the power 2 equal 4 IP addresses. 4 IP addresses are minimum requirement for a subnet. Why? One for the network address and another one for the broadcast address. Okay, the remaining 2 addresses are going to be assigned for 2 PCs or 2 network devices. Why? The minimum network is considered you need to connect 2 PCs at least, right, to make the communication among them. So this is the reason. So at least 4 IP addresses are needed for a subnet. Okay, minimum 4 IP addresses must be there in a subnet. Okay, so /30 is the maximum you can go up to. So this is one point. So when adding 2 to the power h equation, you need to add 2 here because it's hosts per subnet. This is another point. After finding the host bits, what are you going to do? You need to try the network bits. You can try it by 32 minus the host bits you found here, 2 to the power h, that h bits. Okay, then you will get an answer for the network bits. By finding the network bits, then you can do calculations of the subnet mask, NH mask multiplier networks, right? So NH we have done, then mask. Subnet mask we can find by the / number. You can write it. Okay, and you can refer the bit borrowing table as well, as I told, 128, 192, 224, 240, then 248, 252, 254 and 255, right? So after that, multiplier, you can deduct the particular last octet change occurred value from right to left. Okay, so you need to deduct it from 256 and get the multiplier on that particular octet. Okay, let's say if it is happening in the second octet, the last change, then if you find the multiplier is going to increase on the second octet only. It's not going to increase from the last or third octet. Okay, that you need to remember. Then after finding the multiplier, simply you can write the networks or the subnets by increasing it by the multiplier. Okay, so these are the things you need to know. Then we'll move on for the next type of questions. So now, if the question specifies the number of subnets required and they are asking you to find the subnet details. Okay, earlier they specified the number of hosts per subnet. Now they are specifying how many subnets they need, how many networks they need. No matter how many hosts are in each subnet, that they didn't mind. They just wanted you to create certain amount of subnets. Okay, that is the requirement here. So here in this scenario, we don't need to add 2 for each, like 2 to the power n. You don't need to add 2 here. Why? Because your each and every subnet is going to have a network address and a broadcast address inside. Okay, that you don't need to specifically add. It's already included inside the subnet, so you don't need to specify it. You just simply use the number of subnets required in the 2 to the power n. Okay, so here you can see 192.168.0.0/16. 40 subnets are required, which means we need to create 40 subnets. Okay, just imagine we are assigning 40 networks to 40 switches. Okay, This is not the real scenario. I'm saying this because if you think like that, you can reach the answer easily. Okay. So 40 subnets are required. I am using my jargon 2 to the power nh mask multiplier networks. Okay. So since it's subnet specified, I can go for the network. So 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n greater than equal to the same number they specify. Okay. 40 means you specify the 40 here. You don't need to add 2 here. Okay.